today it seems much Christian entertainment, I'm just being honest, is cringeworthy.
I agree.
Okay.
How could we try to get more Christians into the entertainment industry to use that to point people directly to Christ and to write our own fictions to point people to Christ?
Well, I think we need to do that, but we need to do it in a much more subtle way than so many of the Christian art does. Because art isn't necessarily meant, in most cases, to convey a message like that. It's supposed to sometimes enhance or enlighten the imagination. But too often Christians will take a direct approach to try and get their point across, when if they took a more subtle approach, it might be more effective. That's why today it seems much Christian entertainment, I'm just being honest, is cringeworthy.
I agree.
Okay. So we just need, thank you, Caleb. It's cringeworthy. So we need to support people, like, for example, what isn't cringeworthy is Mel Gibson's Passion, right? Because Mel Gibson's just telling an historical truth in there, right? And he is a world-class actor and director, so he knows how to do that. Well, we need to support Christians who are in the entertainment industry, and we need to encourage other people to get into it if they can avoid some of the pitfalls in the entertainment industry.